Well, here we are again. Fancy meeting you here. We're here trying to make something better. The door is had better days, and so we're going to try to make things improve. The floor has been overlaid, so I'm literally going to have to raise the door up to keep the door from dragging, and the wall is in pretty bad shape. So we're going to rebuild the wall in here on this mobile home wall and put in another door that doesn't have a window. And here we go. It's running water through. We'll leave that, although it ain't doing much, is it? Okay. Now,
Cut it off with the oscillating saw.
yeah, I need to, but it's rotted out down bad, pretty bad here. Need to put in. Hey. So I'll get the screw gun again. I dropped it in the cat's milk. Try that out. The wood here is good, it just wasn't fastened down here.
So it's just flexing.
So we need to get something there for it to fasten to. So just put plywood in there.
You want to do a 2x4 in there?
Yeah, we're gonna have to build this back up.
Or you can get a quote from America's #1 motorcycle insurer and maybe save some money while you're at it.
All right, so this is why you want to build up and do a good job, or else you'll end up with a door that. I think what I'll do. This is not mine, but the landlord wants me to do it on a budget.
Start now by going to balanceofnature.com and don't forget to use discount code LOVE.
That's totally gone right there.
14 past the hour, a storm so powerful that cars were tossed like matchbox toys. Homes hit flat in seconds.
Pull this out.
32 people were killed.
So what I'll do is I'll put some.
By another major storm.
Install that out, yeah.
Awesome.
Install it out.
I'll put a 2x in between these areas here, in between these two, and then up under here to support that. It's got a big old screw right there. Another big screw right there. Man. Okay. So if I cut it here, put a 2x here, make it even with this.
The woman behind the camera says her husband grabbed her towards safety and saved her life and warns that when storms strike, stop recording.
Alright, so that's what we're going to do, get the Sawzall out and start trying to see if we can salvage some of this without having to retake out the whole floor. Really bust the budget. See you in a little bit. Set up a saw, Clay, skill saw.
For today, we're looking at the snow in the Rockies, snow into the plains tomorrow, and then we're looking at cans for that spear surf.
Need a 14.5 and a 14.25. 2x4. Alright, I guess you weren't here to see, but we put 2x sticking out here. We put another 2x here. Then I put this one to get it higher than the floor so it quit dragging on the overlaid floor. They put plywood over the resistant plywood. So that way we won't be dragging. Then we've got to cut the opening so that the new door will fit, which goes up to 82 inches up here, gives us room. So next I will mark on the inside the same thing. We got to cut these 2x off. Great big journey.
Weather alert. At least 32 people are dead after a surge of twisters tore through south and midwest parts of the United States. Over the weekend, cars were blown around, entire structures flattened as more than 50 reported tornadoes hit several states.
See that 4-foot level, Clay?
Not to comment, not to weigh in here, to let this process really play out, I'm told, and watch it. But the president will be in Minnesota today, focusing on that investigation for the power generation facility. This is part of a 20-state tour that the administration is doing this week. They will try to keep the focus on that.
I need a pair of snips too.
Watching what's happening where you are, New York City, Yasmin. Talk more about that market, if you will, right? The messaging the president wants to get across when it comes to this investing in American work, especially amidst multiple banking failures that we've seen in this country over the last couple of weeks.
Put this board in, and then I opened up the siding and put screws into this board so that this board doesn't move. Thanks, Clay.
Sure, we have seen the president do this last week, for instance, at a semiconductor manufacturing facility where he was talking about critical chips that go into electric vehicles today. He will be in the Twin Cities, again, talking about manufacturing. The First Lady is on the road the next couple of days. The Vice President back from that trip to Africa will be doing the same. And this is really some of the themes that the president highlighted
take the saws
in
off.
the State of the Union when it comes
Need
to
a pair of snips, Clay.
On the dash.
that the administration
Try to put 33 3/4 twice. I'll need another one, I guess. I don't think this one's on there for two of them. mess here. But it's got to get worse before it gets better. That don't work. We have another 2-bar. I need one. Oh, it's not professional looking. All right. 3-inch screw, Scully. Then I need some 9.5 inch. Where's the snips at? Oh.
Good.
Very, very close.
All right, let's get this door in.